In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your photos on Wix. Wix provides an easy and effective way to transform your photography passion into a business opportunity. We'll cover everything from getting the right app installed to showcasing your photos for potential buyers. So let's dive in and turn your creativity into a thriving online business. To get started, you'll need to install the Wix Stores app from the Wix App Market. This app is essential because it provides you with the tools to manage and sell products on your Wix site seamlessly. Think of it as the backbone of your online store, enabling you to categorize and display your photos effectively. Once you have the Wix Stores app up and running, head over to the catalog in your site's dashboard. This is where you'll add and organize all the amazing photos you want to sell. Click on New Product to begin the process of uploading your first photo. It's an exciting moment as this is where your creativity meets commerce. When prompted, choose Digital File as the product type. This option is perfect for photographers, allowing you to sell your photos as digital downloads. It's a convenient way for customers to receive their purchases instantly, while also saving you the hassle of managing physical inventory. Next, it's time to upload your photo. Alongside the upload, you'll need to fill in crucial details such as a title, description, and price. Make sure your title is catchy and your description provides potential buyers with everything they need to know about the photo. From the location and subject to any special techniques used, pricing is important too. Research similar products to ensure your photos are competitively priced yet reflective of the value and effort you put into them. Afterwards, you'll want to customize the settings for download links and add any preview images. Control over how your photos are presented and downloaded is crucial. Preview images give potential buyers a sneak peek without revealing the entire product, which can entice interest and boost sales. Consider watermarking these previews to protect your work. Finally, once everything looks good, hit save and publish your product. This step will make your photo live on your site, ready for interested buyers to find and purchase. It's always a good idea to give your site a quick once-over to ensure everything displays correctly. As an additional tip, consistently review your site's analytics through the Wix dashboard to track what's selling and refine your strategy accordingly. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your first photo to sell on Wix. Remember, the key to success is not just in setting up, but also in promoting your photos through social media, blogs, and other digital channels. With these steps, you're well on your way to sharing your photography with the world and earning income from your passion. Thanks for watching and happy selling!